At this intersection, it's been pouring rain since last night till this morning.
It's raining so heavy. How lucky, I got away in time.
The tunnel is flooded. Should I go down there? Oh no, my car is sinking. Someone help me.
The rescue team is here.
Thanks for saving me.
Everyone, please stop your vehicles.
What happened?
This is a mess.
I need to drain this tunnel quickly. A lot of water is getting sucked into the truck.
How to build the water suction truck. Step 1. Build the truck body. First, I'm going to build the rear chassis. The motor. The wheel. Now, I'll build the front chassis. Connect the two chassis. These front wheels can help the truck steer left and right. Connect to the battery box. Next, I'll build the cabin. Step 2. Build the water suction tank. Plastic water bottle. Plastic tube. Testing. Bowl of water. Let's see how it sucks up water.
Just a little water left in the tunnel. I need to go down there.
After multiple rounds of suction, the water in the tunnel has gone down a lot.
Let's keep sucking up water.
Before. After.
The tunnel has been drained completely.
Everyone can pass through it now. Attention, employees. Today's competition will determine the most productive team. Humans versus machines. Who will win? Awesome, let's win first place.
We've got the numbers.
Yeah, we're sure to win.
Humans team.
Let's get started, brothers.
Dry Orbeez.
These Orbeez have already grown. Let's harvest them, guys.
Bloated Orbeez.
Work hard, reap big rewards, everyone. All the Orbeez have been transported smoothly.
Cap, we're almost done.
Wait, there are still lots of giant Orbeez. The long wait made them all grow too big.
Time out.
We've harvested a lot of Orbeez.
They're about to win, buddy.
I have an idea.
How to build the Orbeez cable car. 1. Build the supporting tower. Bull wheel. The gears. The motor. Connect to the battery box. 2. Build the cabin. Metal mesh. These cabins will help push the Orbeez to the harvesting area faster. 3. Set up the cable car. Place the supporting towers on the foundations. Connect the two bull wheels together. Connect to the battery box. Plastic tube. Attach the cabin to the cable. Machines team.
Our cable car will optimize this process. Let's see how this machine flips the Orbeez. Look, the Orbeez are quickly transported to the harvesting chutes.
It's time to harvest the Orbeez. Your time is out. The competition has been fierce, but only one can win. Are you ready? So, the winner is Peter's team. We won, guys. Good morning, sir. See you soon. Hi, guy. How much would you like to fill up?
Why is no one coming here to fill up? I need to figure out a way.
How to build the gas station. Step 1. Build the electric fuel pump. Install the motor and battery box. Install the pump nozzle. Testing the electric fuel pump. Pour gasoline into the tank. Step 2. Build the fuel dispenser. Install the meter. Connect fuel dispenser to electric fuel pump. Install the nozzle. Step 3. Set up the gas station. Install the canopy. Install Casey's supermarket and the restroom. I have many Lego pieces like this. Let's install parking area. Install car maintenance area. I will organize the car oil cans on the shelf. Welcome to our new gas station. We're excited to serve you.
Grand opening today. Come fuel up. Quality fuel and service await you.
Very impressive.
How dare you steal customers from me?
Please fill up the tank.
Thanks for choosing us. Please swipe your card to pay. Thank you.
Wow, there's a supermarket. That's so convenient.
Fill up my gas tank, please.
Sure, I'll fill it up right away. Thank you. Just a moment, we're topping up the fuel. Gas station is back online. Go ahead and fill up.
What's going on?
You've been arrested for selling low-quality fuel.
I didn't do it. I'm innocent. Here comes my revenge.
A storm has hit the city and sweeping away all vehicles.
The storm is coming. This Garen needs to be upgraded.
How to build a car garage. Step 1. Build the elevator. The gear. Add the gear to the frame. And more. Add the conveyor belt. The base. Connect them. Add electric motor and battery box. Testing the elevator. The elevator can move up and down easily. Success. Step 2. Build the garage. Set up. The 3-level garage is ready to serve.
I need to park here.
Please go to the 3rd floor.
There's a space left.
3rd floor.
Luckily, my car isn't be submerged.
I want to go to the 2nd floor.
Yes, please come in. 2nd floor.
This is so amazing.
The wind's so strong.
So scary. Look, another storm is coming. Water is rising so fast. The storm is over.
All cars are safe. Urgent. We need backup now.
Okay.
Welcome to Lego Farm.
It's very hot.
The crops need to be watered.
How could I finish watering?
1. Buy a new horse. 2. Build a new water pump.
I will build a new water pump.
How to build a turntable water pump. Build the automatic turntable. Build the base. Add the battery. Build the rings. Testing. The rings can rotate 360 degrees perfectly. Wow! Put the turntable into the garden. Add the water pump. The water pump is ready. Water flows from the tank to the pipe through small holes. And then onto the garden. Wow! The turntable starts to spin. Now it can rotate and water at the same time.
Yeah, this pump is so amazing. It's so fast. All my crops have been watered. I can harvest the crops now.
All the crops are ripe. Would you like to harvest them? 1. Harvest all crops. 2. Wait a few days.
I would choose to harvest all of them.
Carrots, tomatoes, corn.
That's a lot of money.
Your crops are of great quality. I want to buy all your pumpkins tomorrow.
I need find a way to make more pumpkins.
Would you like to add more fertilizer? Yes. No.
I will choose yes. It's too expensive.
Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Wow! All crops need fertilizer.
Look, pumpkins are growing quickly. Oh no, it's spinning too fast. It's broken.
What will you choose next? 1. Fix the pump. cost $3,452. 2. Buy a new pump, cost $3,452.
What?